We are now going to simplify radicals by rationalizing the denominator. It is the process of removing the radical sign to the denominator of the radicand. So, this is the denominator of the radicand. So, our target is to remove that inside the radical sign. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay gawa tayo muna ng radical sign. So, ang gagawin natin ay 3 over 2 raised to 2x. Yan. Times, imumultiply natin siya sa 2x raised to 2. Bakit dyan natin imumultiply etong denominator natin? Ang target natin, dahil meron tayong index na 3, kailangan ang exponent ng ating mga denominator o ang exponent ng nasa denominator ay kailangan 3 din. Because according to the laws of radical, kapag magkaparehas or equal ang index at ang exponent ng radicand, pwede na natin siyang ilabas sa radical sign. So, 2 squared times 2 is 2 cubed or 2 raised to 3. Kaya magiging magkaparehas na sila. And x times x raised to 2 becomes x raised to 3. So, kung magkaganon, may lalabas natin sila mamaya. Pero, kailangan din natin itong i-multiply sa 2x raised to 2. So, parehas lang. I-multiply ang denominator o ang numerator at ang denominator sa 2x raised to 2. Okay. Bakit natin gagawin yon? Yan ay para ma-maintain natin yung value na hindi magbago, yung value ng radicand. Kasi, ang 2x raised to 2 divided by 2x raised to 2 is just equal to 1. O, di ba? If you multiply any number to 1, it will be just the number. Halimbawa, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 3 times 1, it is equal to 3. So, ibig sabihin, pag i-multiply mo ito dito, walang mababago sa value ng ating radicand. So, wala tayong nilalabag na rules. Next, gawa tayo ng radical symbol. And then, let us continue the process. Multiply natin numerator to numerator. It becomes 6x squared. And then, 2 squared times 2, eto na yan, magiging 2 raised to 3. And x times x squared, magiging x raised to 3. So, dahil magkaparehas na yung kanilang index at exponent ng denominator ng radicand, ay pwede na natin i-simplify ng ganito. 6x raised to 2 over 2x. So, eto na ngayon yung ating pinaka-simplified answer. Ganito naman ang ating gagawin dito sa ating second example. Sulat muna natin yung ating radical symbol. And that is 5. So, it could be 1 over 2 raised to 4. Ayan. Then, ito natin ng konti. Multiply natin siya sa 2 and another 2. Okay, bakit ganon? 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So, our target is the index 5. Dapat etong ating denominator ay magkaroon tayo ng 2 raised to 5. Diba? Ang target natin is 2 raised to 5. Kasi 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to 5. Okay? Then, next. 1 times 2, multiply na natin, 2, divided by 2 raised to 5. Ayan na. So, we are now going to finalize our simplification of this given radical expression. Ayan, sisimplify na natin. Now, dahil parehas naman yung exponent nito at saka yung index, so, ibig sabihin yan, ang matitira na lang dun sa loob ay yung 2 na numerator. And then, yung nasa baba ay magiging 2. So, eto na ngayon ang ating magiging pinaka final answer. Ayan. The fifth root of 2 over 2. Okay? So, meron pa tayong isa pang example. In this example naman, ang ating index ay 2. Is the square root of 3 over xy. So, ito naman ang gagawin natin dyan. Okay? So, 3 over xy. So, our target is to have a denominator having exponent of 2 kasi ang index natin ay 2. So, kailangan natin dito ng x and y, kailangan din natin sa taas ng x and y. Okay, ba't ganon? Diba? X times x is x squared and y times y is equal to y squared. So, dahil yun ay 2, ang index ay 2, so it's okay. Now, multiply 3 times x, y. So, that is 3xy. So, lagay na natin sa loob, that is 3xy. And then, x squared and then y squared. X times x is x squared and y times y is y squared. Now, let us simplify. Okay, ganito na lang ang mangyayari dyan. 3xy, yun na nasa loob ng radicals, and then, na-rationalize na natin ngayon yung kanyang denominator. Pwede na natin ilabas dahil ang exponent ay parehas nung ating index na 2. So, x and y. So, this is now the final answer to simplify this given radical expression. Okay, lagi natin pagsasanayan. Yan ang kinakailangan. Laging tatandaan, sa math ay hindi magiging mahusay kung tayo ay hindi handang magsanay.